Edward, are you cutting the grass?
Yeah.
Right.
What's that?
I don't know.
What's that noise?
Don't know. I think Mummy's doing something in the kitchen. Uptight video.
อลิสารู้ใช่ไหมเวลามีคนแอบถ่ายเอาไปลงเหรอมันจะจับมันมาอันนี้กาโยกเลยอะไรลูกแหมดูอันนี้กาสิอร่อยแล้วกินรสเพี้ยดิ
What are you doing, Edward?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, you're cutting the grass. Yeah, good job. Is it hard work?
No, I haven't. I've got it, Daddy.
Good, good. You got that. What are you going to do with it now? You going to put it in the bin?
No, I put it on the floor.
Oh. I'd like to keep the patio clean, really.